Belly cheesesteak is really good, actually.
Yeah, my food was so good. So, Sam, how are you feeling after your tightrope procedure?
I have so much stability. How are you feeling after your tightrope procedure, Sammy?
Never felt better, Sam. Mine's got that internal brace technique. Stability's a beautiful thing. I could play any and every position on the field.
Well, I feel great too, Sammy. Obviously, I got that internal brace technique too. Anything you could do, I could do better, right?
We'll see, Sam. We'll see.
Hey!
How you like that, Sam?
Let's go again. Throwing?
Throwing.
Nice one, Sammy.
Oh, thanks, Sam. Blocking and tackling?
Blocking and tackling. Just another day in the office.
You know what, Sam? My ankle feels so good I could run a 5K.
I could run a 5K too.
Running